Hello, welcome to Vintage Cookbooks and Crafts. My name is Barbara and I have collected cookbooks for over 50 years. Actually closer to 60 now. And slowly I am making recipes out of the different cookbooks that I have collected. And in today's video, I am going to make sirloin tips out of this community-type cookbook that's called All in the Family Cookbook. On the cover it says, "Some foods comes out of cans, some from envelopes, but the best kind comes from the pots on the stove." And the artwork in here is just adorable. The recipes are compiled by the Burrows and Shimek Families, and there is no publication date. And there isn't a coupon or anything to order any more cookbooks, so I don't know where it came from. I usually organize my community-type cookbooks by state, but this is unknown where it came from. I'm going to be making 2 recipes out of this book. Today's video will be the sirloin tips, and then the next video will be chocolate zucchini cake, which has chocolate chips on the top. That is very good. As I mentioned, the artwork is just adorable in here. And it says the cover design and divider designs are from Mary Jane Adumat. And one of the dividers for breads and rolls, the little boy says, "Mommy, bring me some bread. You forgot the lid on my sandwich." She was serving him an open-faced sandwich, and he thought she forgot the lid on his sandwich. So today I am going to make the sirloin tips. So let's go to the stove and get started. In this All in the Family cookbook, the recipe for sirloin tips calls for 1 package of tips, about 2 pounds. I am cutting this recipe in half. It also calls for a 1/4 pound of butter or margarine. A 1/4 pound of butter is a half cup stick, and I cut that in half, so this is a 1/4 cup of butter in here. It also calls for 7 bouillon cubes, but seeing I'm cutting in half, I am using 3. It says melt butter, add cubes and meat. Simmer 1/2 hour. Then after that it says add 3 cups of water, which I will be adding 1.5 cups. And bake 4 to 5 hours at 325. Thicken with cornstarch or flour. Add no salt or pepper. It doesn't say to cover it while it's simmering or to cover it when it's baking. Get my cubes in there. I never heard of adding bouillon cubes without any water to dissolve it. It's supposed to dissolve in moisture from the meat and butter, I guess. Melt butter, add cubes and meat. Simmer 1/2 hour. Well, that's what the recipe says. That's what we're going to do. So I am going to put a timer on. Okay, I'm going to turn I had it on high just to get it started. So I'm going to turn it down and simmer it for 1/2 hour. I'll put the timer on. And I'll come and stir it occasionally. Oh, there's I see the cube is dissolving in that butter. Huh. I never heard such a thing before. Okay. We will be back after the simmering. It's been a half hour now, so it says to add water and bake 4 to 5 hours at 325. So the original recipe that called for 2 pounds of meat had 3 cups of water. I cut it in half, so I will be using 1.5 cups of water. Let me stir some of that goodness off the bottom of the pan. I think if you were making the entire recipe, you would use a Dutch oven. You'd have more room for the meat and the 3 cups of water. I just thought, seeing it was just 1 pound of meat and 1.5 cups of water, that this would be sufficient. So it doesn't say to cover it, but I am going to cover it. I'm going to cover it, then put it in the oven, and the oven is preheated at 325, and I'll bake it for 4 hours. It says 4 to 5, but that's for the whole 2 pounds. So I'm going to cook it. So I will cover this and put it in the oven, and then take a peek every once in a while to make sure that there's still moisture in there, and then come back after the 4 hours. See you then. The meat is very tender. You could even take your dentures out to chew it if you had any. Anyway, this is very delicious, and I would definitely make it again. And when I make it again, I'm going to make the full recipe with 2 pounds of meat instead of just 1, because this just made a meal for 2. And the cucumber salad, I know I like, because I've been making that for years. Made with sour cream and dill, garlic, white wine vinegar. Delicious. The recipes will be down in the description. When you look at description, you press more, and then the recipes will be down there for you. I hope you like and subscribe to get notices of any upcoming videos. Until next time, goodbye.